Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Have you heard of fried cakes before or cake buns? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make it at home. Let's get started. I've already started by measuring and sifting in 2 cups of all-purpose flour into my mixing bowl. I'll go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and a quarter teaspoon of salt. Mix together. And then set it aside. Into another bowl, I'll add in 1/4 cup of melted butter. You can also use margarine, 4 tablespoons of sugar or 1/3 cup of sugar, or according to your taste. I'll mix it and then add 2 eggs into it. Half a teaspoon of vanilla essence, and then mix all together also. Next, I'll go in with 1 cup of yogurt. You can use milk for this or buttermilk. You can also use only water, but it won't be as delicious as mine. After that, we'll then bring in the dry ingredients, that is the mixed flour or the flour mix. I'll also be adding some powdered milk to this. I was supposed to add it when I was mixing the flour, but I forgot, so I'm adding it now. I added 2 tablespoons of powdered milk. After mixing it, it was still too thick for the consistency I want, so I added 2 tablespoons of water. You can use milk, liquid milk for this, or more yogurt if you wish. And then continue to mix until you bring everything together. I changed from the whisk to my spatula. After mixing the cake batter very well, it is now time to fry them. I already have oil heating up here, and then scoop in the batter and fry on medium heat until they are golden brown. Fry on both sides until they are golden brown. And you can make your own more rounded than mine. You can also use spoon or your ice cream scoop to scoop in the batter. It's tasting just like cake. Try this, you will love it. Thank you all for watching. So yummy, so delicious.